Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error code 403 Roblox Authentication Failed Banned. Chapter 1. How to fix error code 403 Roblox Authentication Failed Banned, restarting the system. To use this step, click on Start, and from the Shutdown button, click on Restart to restart the system. Wait for the login to log in again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When accessing Windows, confirm that you open Roblox. Chapter 2. How to fix error code 403 Roblox Authentication Failed Banned, changing DNS. To get started, enter network in the search box. Click on View Network Connections. Here, right-click on the network adapter, choose Properties. After this, in Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties. After that, check the box Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter the public address to use and apply the changes. You can open Roblox to check that it does not have errors. Chapter 3. How to fix error code 403 Roblox Authentication Failed Banned, deleting folder. To start, in the search box enter % local app data %, click on File folder. When you access Explorer, select the Roblox folder and click Delete to delete the system folder. Open Roblox to validate that there are no errors. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.